Alright guys, I got some new parts in today. One of them I'm going to have to send back because it's for the wrong year. Even though I had my bike selected, the year of my bike, everything right, they still sent me the wrong thing. But I can take care of that, not a big deal. Just means a little longer of a wait before that's done. But anyway, what I have been able to get done is I've replaced the grips on the bike. I don't know how well you can see them, but sun kind of messes with it a little bit. But what I got are these Arlen Ness These are the knurled rubber grips with the gold ends. Now the gold ends are actually aluminum, not plastic or anything else. That's aluminum. It's been anodized. Just got them installed. They look good. They actually feel pretty good. I usually run the Avon grips. That's what I run on the Softail anyway. I almost went with the same grips for this, but I couldn't find them in anything but black or chrome. I couldn't find gold. The Arlen Ness is the only set of grips I could find that had the gold on them that looked like it was the right color to match with the other stuff that I've done. Now, the part that came in incorrectly is I ordered a headlight. It is the Kuryakin Prism Plus. Comes with the colored halo. It's able to do chase mode, strobe. It'll flash with the beat of the music, a bunch of other things. But for whatever reason, even though I selected it for this year bike, they sent me one with the H3 connector on it, so I can't install that. I'm either going to have to look and see if I can't find a adapter for the H3 connector to this type of connector, or send that light back and have them send me the correct one. And hopefully the second time's a charm. Some other things that I've done since the last video. Well, I've only done one other thing so far. I had actually recorded it. Did a pretty funny recording, I thought, but my GoPro decided to mess up and not have audio. But that video just didn't work out the way I wanted it to, so the funny unboxing of parts video where everybody thought I had bought a new wheel because you saw the box and it looks like a box that a wheel would come in. It's not a wheel. I haven't bought a wheel. What I bought was just some valve stem caps. They were like 15 bucks on Amazon. The first set I bought, the color gold was not correct. It didn't match correctly. So I spent a little more money for, I think they were too pricey, but they matched the gold that I'm going with. It matches the seat screw. It even matches the gold on the end of the grips now. But this is what let me make sure I can get you a close up. That's what I ended up going with for valve stem covers. Not a big deal. like I said, the whole box with the wheel on it, or wheel marking on it, it's actually sitting right here. Uh, it was supposed to be a joke, but that, like I said, that video didn't work out. So I do apologize for that, but at least you can see what I've done as far as installing those parts, installing the grips. I do have a headlight I've got to send back or figure out what I'm going to do with it. So we're slowly getting there, a little at a time. Um, I am very happy with these grips. I'll know more as I ride. We'll see exactly how good they are and how comfortable they are. The Avon grips I absolutely love. They're so comfortable. These are not quite as um, soft. The Avon grips I run are the memory foam, and they're pretty light. I mean, well, pretty comfy. I mean, uh, just to show you what I'm talking about, this is the Avon grips that I run on the Softail. And then there's another close-up of the grips that I got from Arlen Ness. It even has Arlen Ness written in it right here. It says Arlen, and then on the bottom side it says Ness. I thought that was a pretty cool little touch. You can't hardly see it. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't even read it, but still, I thought it was a pretty cool little touch. But anyway, that's about all I have for today. I hope to have some more parts and more installs coming. It'll be a little while, but we're getting there. But thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost a thing. Hit that like button. It helps me out. I am trying to grow the channel. I am trying to do things a bit different than I have in the past. This bike, I'm hoping, will allow me to grow the channel just by doing the upgrades and changing it to make it the style that I want, the style that I like. Be able to do more rides, longer rides, stuff like that. So yeah, please hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to y'all later.